Hello, safety warriors. I'm Radiant Raya, and today we're diving into why regular vehicle maintenance is essential for safety, efficiency, and longevity. We'll learn about the major components of a vehicle that need regular checks. Let's take a closer look. Keeping up with maintenance doesn't just keep your vehicle safe, it also extends its life and improves fuel efficiency. A well-maintained vehicle saves on repair costs and avoids breakdowns. Neglecting maintenance, on the other hand, can increase accident risks and reduce reliability. Different vehicles have different maintenance needs. Evaluate the maintenance schedule recommended by your vehicle's manufacturer. For example, oil changes might be needed every 10,000 kilometers for some cars, while others require them sooner. Regular tune-ups and service checks can prevent costly issues later. Now, it's your turn to create a basic maintenance checklist for yourself or any new driver. Include essentials like oil level checks, tire pressure, brake condition, and regular tune-ups. Remember to keep an eye on warning signs. It's all part of being a responsible driver. Great job, safety warriors! Regular maintenance keeps your vehicle safe, efficient, and long-lasting. Always remember that a well-maintained car is not only a safe car, but also a smart choice. So take charge, follow your checklist, and enjoy safe driving.